To get a guy to like you, start by talking to him. Don't just admire him from afar. Instead, smile and make eye contact before introducing yourself and striking up a conversation. Then you two can start getting to know one another. Try asking him open-ended questions about his life, family, and friends. If you can get him talking about something he's passionate about, like a favorite sports team or author, then he'll associate those positive emotions with you. If you realize that you two share common interests, talk about those so he feels more connected to you. Don't be afraid to let your sense of humor shine or give him a simple compliment. As you two become closer, invite him to do activities together that you both enjoy, like rock climbing or painting. Flirt by smiling at him or playfully touching his arm or hair. In the end, sometimes the only sign he'll pick up on is if you simply tell him you're interested. No matter what, be confident in yourself. You have so many wonderful qualities, and the right guy will be able to see that.